Hello everyone. Today we're going to be doing a video on how to correlate two variables using SPSS. Right now I'm on a Mac using OS X, but this should work on pretty much any operating system because we do it through Citrix Workspace. What you're going to want to do is go to UCF Apps, which you can find here at this website, it.ucf.edu/ucf-apps, and you're going to want to click on Login to UCF Apps. That's going to take you to a login page where you'll input your NEID followed by @ucf.edu, just like you see here, and your regular password. That'll take you to Citrix Workspaces. What you're going to want to do is click on IBM SPSS Statistics, and that'll automatically open SPSS, and you're going to want to click on New Project. I already have one opened up here. Make sure when you're clicking on your project, these opens these two identical windows, that you select the dataset one. So here's two data sets. They're not real data, it's just data that I created. And we have scoops. That little scoops is actually number of scoops of ice cream per week, and a perceived level of happiness on a scale of 1 to 10. So the way we add data is we just click on the box. We put in, so let's say 1 week they had 10 scoops of ice cream and they felt pretty good about it, so they rate themselves at a 5 out of 10. The way that you change the names of your variables is you click on Variable View. Here, this will change what it's called in the column, and this is the actual name of the variable. You can't have spaces here, so your long name goes here, just your identifying name goes here. So now we have our data. We're going to want to click on Analyze, Correlate, Bivariate. These will start over here. What you do is just click on it and send it over that way, because these are the variables that we would like to correlate. Make sure you're on a Pearson correlation coefficient and just hit OK. So this will kick you over to the output, and you can see right here the level of correlation. Apparently, perceived level of happiness correlates pretty strongly negatively with number of scoops of ice cream. But do keep in mind that correlation does not equal causation, so it could be that the ice cream makes you sad, or it could be that sad people have more ice cream. We don't know. Or it could be even a third variable. Okay, so now we're going to save our data. So the easiest way to do this is to go to your data, and you're going to take a screenshot, which the easiest way to do is hit Command-Shift-5, highlight your data. You could get the whole SPSS screen, or you could really just get the data you want here. We're just going to take the data. Over Options, make sure it's saved to clipboard. Highlight your data and hit Capture. That captures your data. Now you can go over to a Word document, Command-V to paste it, and now your data is saved in a Word document. Not really your data, it's a picture of your data, but for our purposes that works just fine. Alright, I hope this was helpful. Thank you very much for watching, and I guess we'll see you next time.